Hey bro, welcome back to our channel. Want to add subscription to your Shopify store? Whether you are selling monthly boxes, memberships, or recurring services, I will show you how to set it up step by step. First of all, go to settings, then go to payment section. Shopify subscription feature works best with Shopify payments, so make sure it's enabled. If not, set it up or use a third-party payment provider that supports subscriptions. Now, you need an app to handle subscriptions. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, then click Add Apps. Scroll down and click Shopify App Store and search for subscription apps. Popular options include recharge, bolt subscription, and seal subscription. Click install and follow the setup instructions. Once installed, open the app and create a new subscription plan. Choose the product you want to offer as subscription, set the billing cycle like weekly, monthly, or yearly, and configure pricing. You can also add discounts for subscribers or offer a free trial to encourage sign-ups. Most subscription apps automatically add a widget to your product pages. If needed, you can customize it under the app settings or using Shopify's theme editor. Before going live, test your subscription by adding a product to cart and check out. Make sure the recurring payment is displayed correctly. Once everything looks good, you are ready to launch. Track subscriptions under orders or in your subscription app dashboard. And that's it. You have successfully added subscriptions to your Shopify store. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.